an awful lot to update on today, unfortunately. Excuse me. I did lose Opal, unfortunately. I'm still not entirely sure what's going on, but nobody else seems to be showing the same signs. So I'm just keeping an eye on everybody at the moment. So I'll have to be keeping 2 of my does from one or 2 of my litters. I have one that I want to keep, so when they're old enough. Other than that, Dad built this little chicken tractor for the chickies. Look how big they're getting. They've feathered out really nicely. They're so cute. Hi, chickies. Hello. So yeah, they're growing out nicely and they're doing well. We have all of our big chickens still. Apparently we have a couple of broodies as well, so hopefully we won't have an accident again. And they'll actually be able to hatch out some eggs for us. And then we'll get more chickies, which we'll have to be really careful because that cat will eat them. So we'll probably have to make either another tractor for them or put mama and babies in that other tractor back there. Or I could use that cage back behind the house that I'm not using. We could use that, and that might work as well. So, yeah. Despite the 2 losses, everybody else seems to be doing okay. I think these are our 2 broody hens back here. Yeah, hold on. Hey! So I think these are our 2 broody hens, so hopefully, I don't know how long they've been sitting exactly, but hopefully we'll get some baby chicks from them since we got the fences up and stuff so nothing can get in here during the night. That'll be interesting to see what little Muttley barnyard mixes we've got. Anyways, that's about it. Nothing really exciting to report. Not yet, anyways. So I guess that's mostly just like a chicken update. So yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful week.